where we can fly. Mysteries of starlit seas, guided by the moon's embrace. Waves that lead